Thousands of Amazon sellers are going to go bankrupt in 2025. More brands are going to become restricted. More Section 3s are going to come. The marketplace is going to become more and more saturated. But the ones that are prepared, on the other hand, are going to be able to make a ton of money. That's why me and my students in the Scaling Society are going to focus on solving these problems. Even though most of them are just starting, I guarantee, I assure you that they are going to run laps around you if you do not change how you run your business. I'm pretty sure most of you already know the Scaling Society, so I'm not going to babble here about the advantage of joining, or all my students went crazy this month from 6-figure months to $20,000 days. And you can literally see it on his website. If you click, like, you'll see my students, you'll see the testimonials. If you do not believe me, just go on there, go on scaling.com and check the testimonials. But what you should know is you cannot lose money since it's a 100% money back guarantee bootcamp. You will be coached directly by me. So within 3 months, I will transfer my knowledge to you. You will be surrounded by other hustlers, and we all know that friendly competition is the best competition. So if you want to find out more about all that, go to this page. You can skip all the steps and just book a call with my team. We start on January 1st, so there's like less than 40 hours left. We have 2 more spots open, and it's cheap now. It's really, really cheap now. The price will be way higher for the next group that we will start in March. So I'll see you inside. Get in now, and do not wait, because you'll pay way more money.